how Mexicans. That's okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Go.
Go ahead. Take it down.
Do you think they know that I'm recording them?
No.
Stop telling me.
Go ahead and pull it out.
We want to watch. Tell them. Tell them we want to watch. So they'll stop telling me to go.
You know, they've been working on that damn tree for 3 weekends in a row.
Shouldn't he be reversing faster? Hear the saw?
Yeah.
It hurts.
We started a trend. There's another audience.
Where?
Over there. They're backing up into their yard.
Man, I don't have a good shot to get a video of that. Come on, take the street out. My arm's getting tired. Come on, boys. You can do it. There we go. Is it working?
There it is. Scoot up.
Oh, this is so not legal.
Okay. Slow it. Slow it. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. A Mexican way of cutting down a tree. Stop.